guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vinita. If you're new here, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss any of my videos.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm up with a new decoration video. So without further ado, let's get started. So here I am making a balloon column. For that I have taken white color balloons. To start the column I am making a bunch of 4 balloons. In total I have made 5 sets of the bunch. This is a heart-shaped foil balloon. To inflate the balloon, I am using a straw. Alright, now let's make the balloon column. Here I have taken a balloon filled with water, which will act like the weight of the column. I am tying up a cotton thread by simply making a knot. You can also use a balloon ribbon. Now I am placing the bunch over the weight and start wrapping the thread around the balloons. Similarly, I will continue for the other 5 bunch. Here I am tying a twisting balloon at the bottom of the foil balloon as shown. Then I will attach this on top of the column, making sure it is nice and tight. Alright, now let's move on to the balloon garland. To make it, I have taken white and red color balloons. So here I am making duplex from red and white color balloons. The combination of the duplex is white-white, red-red and red-white. So as you can see, I have tied a cotton thread and now I am just taking balloons randomly of any combination and simply wrapping the thread around the balloons. To fix this garland, I am sticking a cello tape over the thread. Now to give the garland a round shape from the top, I am sticking double-sided tape on the back side of the balloons as shown in the video. To decorate this area, I am reusing this last year's paper heart hangings, which is basically a paper heart that is tied with the satin ribbon. I am using this curtain as my backdrop where I will make one more balloon garland similarly that I have made on the wall. These are the foil letter balloons. After inflating this, I will attach a thread in the balloon holes. This is the pearl head pin which I will use to fix all the decorative craft on the curtain. Basically, I am just wrapping the thread over the pins and then I will fix these pin on the curtain. The same way I have attached all the paper hearts on the other curtain as well, and now attaching this birthday banner. To decorate the table, I have taken these rose petals. I will also spread some petals on the sofa as well. I am also decorating this top of the shoe cabinet with the rose petals and with some scented candles, and in last I will stick some photographs of the birthday boy and some paper hearts using a double-sided tape. Now let's have the final